Treetops emit ultraviolet sparkles during thunderstorms. Researchers just filmed it in nature for the first time. Okay. Any of you are ever bored waiting for your partner while they're in the shower, scrolling mindlessly through Facebook? Well, that was me a couple days ago, and I get recommended this post by meteorologist Chelsea Chandler with a really cool picture. I want to talk about that today. Hello, my name is Greg Friedman. On this channel, I talk about science, and I talk a lot about plasma, and it's plasma today. So let's take a look at this picture. It's pretty cool. Chelsea says, insanely cool. Scientists have captured something that had only ever been theorized before. Oh my God! During a thunderstorm, researchers observed purple sparks shooting from the tops of trees. These faint electrical discharges, known as corona discharges, happen when the electric field in the air becomes extremely strong, just before or during lightning. Meteorologists at Penn State were able to document the phenomena using specialized ultraviolet cameras which can detect energy that the human eye normally can't see. For years, scientists suspected that this was happening during storms, but this is the first time ever it has been actually recorded. And then there's the photo. You know, I took a lot of photos of plasmas in my time, and it's a cool photo. I mean, everything is in focus. The little fir tree background is nice and dark. Foreground is very well lit from multiple angles. And you have these nice coronas. But what jumps at me is the picture's in full color. Have you guys seen UV photos? Everything green turns to black, and you see all these weird colors. I was trying to get into UV photography for a while just for a hobby. It's pretty cool. It just gives you these weird colors, like you see things as birds and spiders do. And here's a comparison of a flower in UV photo or visible photo. What about the meteorologist Chelsea Chandler's photo? Does that look like a UV photo? So I went down that rabbit hole for a bit. I actually found the paper, and I'll put a link down in the description to an article I found, a sensationalist, oh my God, article with the awesomely awesome non-UV photo. Probably might be AI generated. I could take that photo, a photo like that myself. Look, the phenomena is real. You have a fir tree with very sharp tips, lightning storm, high voltage in the clouds. Tree is grounded because it's in the ground. Tree is conductive. So yeah, you'll have corona discharges just like on masts of ships. And when I found the paper, yeah, that's a UV photo. So the researchers, let's look at it. Researchers are using UV camera to spot emission from corona discharges on tips of a tree. Cool, very cool. I love it. It's great. It's interesting research. I have always been aware of the possibility of this happening. Never thought about it. Corona discharges are big problem for, high voltage transmission lines, especially during lightning storm type of situation. So anything sharp and conductive and either grounded or at a different potential than clouds, you'll have corona discharges. It's an issue for planes with, antenna and other sharp tips, for ships, for anything, for trees, I'm sure. I don't know if that's a problem for forest fires. I can't really think why it would be, because this would be happening during, rain. So rain and fire don't mix together too well. But still, you have this possibility for ignition, so maybe this might be an issue for forest fires. It's funny how I discovered a very sensationalist photo on Facebook and a news article that also makes the science look so, oh my God, amazing, when in reality, it's just a black and white looking photo with a couple of light sparks. I think in the next video, I'll talk about how to read scientific papers. And I guess I'll touch on how to sensationalize them. Like this paper was sensationalized as, oh my God, first time ever, amazing. And then the picture we show to you is a clickbait picture that has nothing to do with what researchers actually saw. Anyway, I thought it's kind of cool, decided to make a video about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. And if you have some questions or want to know how corona discharges work, I'll be happy to chat about that. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.